So here's our another resort. It's our room. Nice balcony and big sliding glass doors. Let's take a look. A lot of space. Look at the space in here. Blackout curtains that'll totally block out the sun. Tons of space. That over there looks like a lot of wasted space, but we put all our suitcases here. Really big bed. Really nice view though. But look at this. Look at this bathroom. Look at this. I feel like I'm in a bathroom in a museum. Look at the size of this thing. Look at this. It's huge. I mean, when I'm standing over here, it just seems this is a big room. One big wet room. It's nice. You could land an airplane in the bathroom, Andy.
Yes.
Here's our view. There's the beach right down there. Nice. Really short, Andy, really short walk to the beach.
Yeah.
Hi, Andy. So, hey, welcome to Koh Tao.
Yeah.